Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, kami dari kelompok 5 yang terdiri dari Khairina Marlina Dewi dan saya sendiri bernama Lela Ayu. Di sini kami akan mengenalkan kata adverb. Sebelumnya, kita akan membandingkan kalimat verb, adjective maupun adverb itu sendiri. Verb is a word that describes an action, condition, or experience of something. In Indonesia, verbs are often called verb because the verbs show the activity of the subject in the sense. The verb is the most important part and always appears in every sentence. Adjectives are used to describe nouns or nouns. Examples of adjectives are beautiful, big, high, amazing, and others. Generally, in a sentence, the adjective can be placed before the noun or it can be at the end of the sentence. Selanjutnya ada adverb. According to the Concrete Dictionary, an adverb is a word that functional to describe or provide additional information about a verb, adjective, adverb, and phrase. Jadi, adverb adalah one of the four major word classes, along with noun, verb, and adjective. Secara sederhananya itu, verb digunakan untuk menjelaskan atau memberikan tambahan informasi mengenai kata kerja, kata sifat, atau bahkan adverb itu sendiri. Biasanya, adverb itu memiliki akhiran ly untuk menjelaskan kata kerja maupun kata sifat yang ada di depannya. Secara singkatnya sih, merupakan kata yang digunakan untuk menekan verb, adjective, atau adverb lainnya. Berikut di sini ada beberapa jenis adverb itu sendiri. Yang pertama ada adverb of place. And the expression is adverb of place itu sendiri adalah is the adverb that states the place where an activity or occurs. This adverb is used to answer the question where. Generally, the adverb of place at the end of the sentence. Jadi di adverb of place ini dia menyatakan tempat terjadinya suatu kegiatan atau peristiwa itu terjadi. Kalau manner itu adalah adverb is a adverb that describes how an event occurs or is done. This adverb answers the question how. Usually adverb of manner and in ly. Selanjutnya ada adverb of degree. The degree is all information that contains how much to one extent or at when level something happen. In other words, in and can be more meaning of the word in describing. Simply put, the interrogative sentence that is aligned with the explanation of the effort of degree is how much. Selanjutnya ada effort is a time. Is a adverb that states the time when an activity, the time when an activity or event occurs, usually using the word when are the question that states duration. Jadi di sini dia akan menjelaskan waktu terjadinya suatu kegiatan itu. Selanjutnya ada effect of frequency. Dia adalah tipe of adjective used to express how often an event occurs. There are two types of adjective or frequency, namely definitive and indefinite. The definitive type describes the frequency with which an event occurs most, especially that the indefinite type. Selanjutnya, jenis-jenis yang lainnya akan dijelaskan oleh teman saya, yaitu Khairina Maulina Dewi.
Baik, selanjutnya di sini ada jenis dari adverb sendiri. Yang pertama ada adverb of place and direction. Yang kedua ada adverb of manner. Yang ketiga ada adverb of degree. Yang keempat ada adverb of time. Yang kelima ada adverb of frequency. Yang keenam ada exclamatory adverb. Yang ketujuh ada explanatory adverb. Yang kedelapan ada interrogative adverb. Yang kesembilan ada sentence adverb. Selanjutnya mungkin ada ciri-ciri. Mungkin next slide. Nah, di slide ini ada ciri-ciri dari adverb. Yang pertama ada menjadi kalimat tambahan atau suatu kata atau suatu kalimat. Contohnya atau example, please don't make noise while cooking. Nah, di sini juga yang kedua ada bisa diletakkan di depan, belakang atau terpisah dengan kata yang dijelaskan. Example, Vina eating the kids table quickly. Yang ketiga, umumnya berbentuk adjektif plus ly. Example, Iin studently wrongly carved watermelon in the decoration pot. Yang keempat, tidak bisa memodifikasikan noun. Example, for the first time we learn continental food. Oke, yang terakhir di sini ada bisa dimodifikasikan derajatnya. Example, if you want to grind the species, use a blender to make more efficiently. Selanjutnya di sini ada example, contoh. Oke. Jadi example adverb of place. Are you cooking in the kitchen? Example for adverb of time. Our class will take part in the better cooking competition next week. Two example for adverb of time. I will make flower carvings from watermelon tomorrow. Example for adverb of degree. 1. When the restaurant is busy, many guests are really served. Two examples for adverb of degree. Ririn worked hard at making drinks and the restaurant profits to the full suit. Next example, example for adverb for manner. 1. He makes really good food. 2 example adverb of manner. Gusti was injured while cutting medley. 2 example adverb of frequency. 1. Every Monday. 2 TB2. Students participate for processing in the kitchen. 2 example adverb of frequency. Dika only on mother woman coconut lovers because the profess was very distraught during the decoration course. Next example, 2 exclamatory adverb. 1. This cake is very tasty. 2 example for exclamatory adverb. The food you serve is delicious. Okay, next example, sentence adverb. 1. Actually, I enjoy working in this hotel. Next example, 2 interrogative example. 1. How to make sponge cake. Next example for explanatory adverb. 1. There are 2 fruits in the cake. That is strawberry and blueberry. Next. Lanjut aja, ini nggak ada fungsinya leh. Nggak usah aja, nggak apa-apa. Udah kah?
Udah.